Today we have a 97 Buick LeSabre AC controls in the shop for the display not working. All functions seem to work, just no display. What we started with is removed two 3/16 screws. These screws are both located on the bottom of the package, one here on the bottom right and one here on the opposite of it. Again, these are 3/16 screws. With these removed, you have two tabs on the top. These tabs need to be lifted up to be released on each side, and this will allow you to pull this module back. Now what we have is the front face, which is still attached to the main body, and we're going to take the main body because the power supply is here, and we have two little tabs at the back that we're going to lift one of these up and push on the connector to push the circuit board out the front and pull this circuit board out. This is the piece that usually has the problems on it. What we have here are four large resistors here. You can see some of the burnt and heat from the board here. When this first came in and I took it apart, I could wiggle every single one of these resistors on this circuit board because of the heat. What we did is we removed the solder, retinned the pads on the board, and then resoldered the connections. And hope this video has been helpful. Hope this helps you as well with your no display on your Buick. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.